Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I use the punch needle technique to go with this leather traveler bag. As a handbag designer who has a women-based business, I like to switch things up and my audience loves it, which is why I'm always doing something new. Punch needling is a beautiful technique to learn and incorporate with leather goods, and honestly you guys, if I only hand stitched my bags and accessories, I would be bored out of my mind. So I have to keep things new, fresh, and innovative. That is the beauty of working with leather. You get to incorporate so many different things. So hopefully you learn a new technique today. Let's get started. Okay, so at this point, I have the base of the bag done. I've already added the bottom gusset, side panels. I'm going to put the straps somewhere in here. I literally started with an idea, you guys, and then it just spiraled out of control because that's how my imagination works. And now I'm going to create from scratch. My original idea is out the window, so that's how I create. Like sometimes I'll start something and I'm like, nope, I don't like that, so let's start over. So now this is pretty much how the structure of the bag will look. I'll add a side gusset here, so I need to measure that out. As far as the side panels, I really wanted them to give the bag a lot more stability, so just using one piece was not enough. So I just doubled them up and pasted them together with some leather cement, and as you can see here, this one is already complete, but it'll give the bag a lot more stability to stand on its own. So that completes our punch needle leather traveler. I really enjoyed making this bag. Don't get me wrong, it was a lot of work, way more work than just working with leather alone, but I love the finished result and I'm really happy with the outcome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give punch needling a try. It's very therapeutic and again, it goes so well with leather. And that's that. I'll catch you guys on the next project. Till then, peace out.